Before we get started, let's say we have a new developer on the team who we will be assigning the task of changing all the requirements. We need to give them some knowledge transfer so they know what was done in part 1. If you already know everything, you can skip this lecture and move ahead. But if you want to get a revision of what was done in part 1, you can follow along. So we have one web project in which everything is clustered together. All the controllers for our project is inside the controllers folder, and the views are inside the views folder for the corresponding controller. Inside the shared folder, we have all the common and partial views. Then inside the utility, we have email sender and session utility so that we can send emails using our MailJet. All of the keys for that resides inside the app-settings.json, where we also have the connection string. If we go back, we have the models, in which we have all of the models that we have added to the database, along with view models, which are tightly bound to some of the views. Then we have migrations that we applied on the database, and our DB context resides inside the data folder. We'll go top, we have the areas where we are using the ASP.NET Razor identity. All the static files are in www root. Inside images, we have product where we upload all the product images that an admin uploads for the product. This is just a basic overview of how our application is working with all the folder structure. But there will be lots of things that will be changing. One thing that I forgot here is we have a web constant file which holds all the static constants for our website. So with that, we need to change lots of things with the architecture. Everything is tightly coupled right now, and everything is in one single project. Let's start splitting all of these out to make the architecture much more cleaner.